So today I'm going to share my experience of what happened on day 0 and day 1 of my placement. So my placement was on 30th night. 30th night means on 1st December. Okay. So at 12 a.m. in the morning. 12 a.m. in the morning, not on the afternoon. Okay. So okay. So now on 30th, that is in the night, we were having interviews. So on 30th, we were told like all our coding exams were over till 30th or before 25th of November we were over. Wherever coding rounds now on 30th we were having some secondary rounds of some companies like in Microsoft we are having fly round. In Nutanix we have debug round. So we were told that we need to go there because I was shortlisted in them. So at 4 p.m. on 30th, we were having this fly round of Microsoft. In fly round, we were given three questions. The questions was written on they were on the projector. So we need to see. The hall was quite booked. 90 students were shortlisted in them, and only 40 are going for the interview round. That is going to be held in the night. Okay. So now what happened that we were given three questions. So in fly round, what happens is even if you do three questions, then it is not 100% sure that you are going for the interview round. Okay, because only 40 students are going to be shortlisted and then. So what happened is like I was given three questions. The questions were not difficult at all, but we are not in a practice to write code on paper. So basically, we write code on Sublime Test or on any other platform or on any other editor. So in that, what happens is we can just delete something, we can write it again, but on paper we cannot do that. And also we need to make sure that we are using good variables. Like good variables is like not only like if I'm going to store prime factors of a number, I'm going to write a vector. Although you cannot use vector in a Microsoft account, you need to use basics. You need to write a code from a basic. Like you cannot use vector, you cannot use std, STL. Okay, if you are writing the code in C++, so you cannot use STL. So if suppose I'm going to declare an array, I need to write prime factor. So I'm going to write it as int prime factor. Okay, so prime prime will be in small, f will be capital, and actor will be small. So this is how you are going to write the variable. The variable should be good, the handwriting should be good, command should be made, approaches should be described, and test cases should be given in the end, and also the time complexity and space complexity should be explained there. So the time is I don't the time was around, I don't know, 40 minutes, I don't know, yeah, time was around 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour was the time limit. So we need to do questions, so 20 minutes each we need to give. So 20 minutes is not big for one question, because you need to write so many. You need to write approaches, different approaches, then you are going to write the best solution for it, then you are going to write the command, you are going to make sure the writing is good, and you are going to write a test case. So these all things need to be written. So I had done three questions, but then also nobody is sure whether you are going to be selected for the next round or not. At 7 p.m. I was having the debug round of Nutanix. Then I was just checking on the phone whether I was selected for the Microsoft interview round or not. But till then I was not able to know. So at 7 p.m. we are having a Nutanix round. Okay, so at 10:30 we were told that Microsoft is going to take the round for the interview round, but till then the list was not out of the shortlisted students which have been selected after the fly round. So in debug round of Nutanix, I was sitting for the debug round. So then I said we were given a paper, we were given two questions in them, and we were asked to find errors in them. So basically the code was big. One code was of 4 pages, the other code of 2 pages. So in that we need to find errors, like sometime we write some extra condition, we need to remove some extra condition. Sometimes we forget to put colon. Logical error is quite important. So every error is having some or the other some points. Okay, so like logical error might be having some more points, and if you are finding some debug errors like colon is missing, comma is missing, so it might have some lower points. So all these errors were there. The second question, I don't remember the first question. I think the first question, I don't know whether it was binary search or something. I don't The both questions were from threading part. Okay, so threading is itself is a difficult topic, and you are given a code to understand and write. So it was about threading, it was about semaphores and all, it was about that. So OS type thing was uh, mainly in that. Yes, so now the debug round was over. After 1.5 hour, half an hour we need to wait for somebody. So they provided us some t-shirts also. So after the debug round, okay, all of them were provided. Okay, so now I went out of the debug of the round. Now it's 8:30 p.m. in the night, 10:30 interview round, and in the night we do have some interviews. Companies are visiting. Okay, so now it's already decided that you are going to give these interviews. You are going to give these interviews of the companies. So I was also having companies. I was having 4 companies, and maximum companies you are allowed to give is was 5. Okay. So I was also having a good number of companies, but I was thinking that if I am selected in Microsoft and Newton, then it's quite good because chances are more to be selected here, and also these are very good companies. So then when I went out of the room of the debug round, then I found that I have been selected for the Microsoft round. Okay, so after Microsoft, I was searching for whether I am selected for debug round or not. So we went to the hostel. We got prepared. We got our suit and all. We got prepared, and all of them were excited too, and all of them were nervous too, because now the day has come when you are over with your studies, basically, because you have been studying so hard this last 6 months. Okay, so now after this night, or after one day after this, so you will be relaxed basically. Okay, so uh, we went there at 10:30. The first round was of Microsoft. I went for the Microsoft first. Okay, different companies have different time, but most of the company they started at 12 a.m. in the morning. 12 a.m. in the morning is 12 a.m. in the night basically. Okay. Now we are given. So I went to the Microsoft. So I need to wait for there. So it is not like that you are going for the Microsoft, and doors are open for you only, and then you will go and you will just enter into the room, and then you are going to give the interview. So it's not like that. There are many students which were already present there. Okay, so you are given. So we have to wait in a room. We are asked to wait in a room. So our names get called, then we need to go. Every round is of around 45 minutes. So I went there in the room. First round took around at 12:30. Okay, so at 12:30 I gave my first round. I don't remember 12:30 or 11:30. Okay, so I gave the first round. So the first round was okay, and they asked me a question around we need to convert a m cross m to m cross n. So they were not quite specific whether we have to use extra space or not. They were not quite open. Okay, so the first round was clear. Then just after first round, I was asked to go for the second round. So second round they asked me around. One question was asked, and it was a Q question, and it was quite easy. Like we were given 1 2 3, and we need to generate numbers from 1 to 3 only, and then we need to find the kth number. And we can easily k was small, so we can easily do with the help of k. Okay, so I have also created a video on this. Okay, so you can just go and watch it. Okay, so now the 2 rounds were over. Then the other company was calling. Okay, so I need to give other companies round. So then I thought instead of giving third round, whether I was also not knowing. So I just went out of the second round. Okay, whether the third round is going to be held or not. So I just went out, and then I found that I have been selected for the debug round of Nutanix. Now I have been selected for the debug round for Nutanix. I'm going to give the Nutanix round. Okay, then I went for the APT. APT is a company. So I went to the APT. Okay, so the round was then after 15 minutes I went there. So I had my first round. So the first mistake which I made there was they asked me about my favorite subject, and I don't know how I said OS. Okay, so then they asked me some difficult question of OS, and I was not able to tell them satisfactory solution. Okay, so then they asked me a question of algorithm also, like we are given an array, and array contains all the elements of 10 to power array contains all the elements less than or equal to 10 to power 5, and you need to sort the array in O of n. So basically you can go for the counting sort. Okay, then I called, and I went out from the first round. Then I called the TPR at Microsoft whether I have been selected for the third round or not. Until then they are not decided. So then I went to QST after the first round because APT have not also not decided whether I have to go for the second round or not. Then I went for QST. Now QST the round was not good. Okay, so they asked me a question. They asked me a question which I was not able to solve during my coding round only. So I had some idea about that how to solve it. I was able to write also, but they I don't know. I think they have already decided that they are going to select only those students which which have solved two questions or more. Two questions, that is two questions were asked in the round in the coding round, written coding round and the online coding round. Okay, so they already, so I thought that they are not going to take me. So then I called to a guy of APT whether I've been selected there or not. So he said no. Okay, so now two companies have been eliminated, one and two. Okay, okay. Microsoft was still left. Then I went for AppDynamics. Okay, so AppDynamics round I went there at 3 a.m. in the morning. AppDynamics round was quite good. I would say he was very satisfied. But at 3 p.m. I reached late. I need to, okay, so at 3 a.m. sorry, 3 a.m. in the night. So I went there. I had my round very good. Okay, he was quite satisfied. I can, we can easily see the satisfaction in the eyes of the interviewer whether he is satisfied with our answer or not, and also we know that we have explained quite well. But I was not selected for the first round after the first round because they have already taken as many students as well, they have already decided that we are going to take 10 students or 8 students. Until then, all the students have been selected, so I was rejected basically. So now on the last company which I was left with, uh, Nutanix. I went there at 4 a.m. Okay, first round was a coding round. It was well good. Okay, and then and there I was told that you are going for the second round. But what happened is, basically, I was knowing that Nutanix don't take system design round. So I did not prepare for it because there was no company as such which goes for the system design among the 5 companies which I have chosen. So I did not prepare for it. So the second round was of system design, and I was not knowing. I had studied some time ago. I like 2 months ago. I read something about system design, and I learned thoroughly, and from that idea I was able to tell him something. Okay, now it's around 5:30. I need to go to the hostel because the day zero is over. Okay, now the result will be out by 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Okay, in the morning. So I went there. I was not happy because I was having only one company, that is Nutanix. All the company rejected me. So okay, so I was having Nutanix, so I called a friend. He had a PPO, and his manager, he had a PPO of Nutanix. Okay, so his manager had come in the interview round. So he said that let me talk to them. That is because Nutanix want to hire some students. Suppose Nutanix hire 3 people, and 3 people have already got 3 people have been selected in other companies also. So it might be possible that 3 people or one, up to three, many two or one might go to other companies also, because if we have been selected for 2 companies or more, then it's our choice in which company we have to go. So basically he was talking about that if someone is have been selected in Nutanix and he have been selected in other companies also, then he might help me. So I was just happy. Okay, it might be chance that it might be possible that I might get a job in Nutanix. Okay, so then I slept till 11 a.m. and I slept. Then also results were not out. But then I messaged him whether what was the status, whether it's possible or not. So he said no. Okay, he said no. So it means I have to go again in the 5 p.m. We have the day one starts 5 p.m. Okay, and then it's quite difficult because you have to wear again those clothes which we were wearing the last night. You have to go through the pain again. You have to go, and it's if we are shifting from day zero to day one and day two, so the company level also decreases basically. So there is not much company left. You need to okay, so it's quite difficult. At 5 p.m. the results was out, and everyone was quite happy. But I had to go for day one. Okay, so at 5 p.m. only the results. Everyone was shouting all around, and many of my friends were going to sign. We need to sign, okay, for the acceptance. So when we are selected for a company, so they were going to the same hostel in which we were having the interviews. Okay, so it's quite difficult. We are going on through the same path in which the other students are quite happy and you are just moving sad because you need to go through the process. And on that day I have not eaten anything because I wake up at 11 and I did not eat anything on that day. Okay, so I went there at 5 p.m. Now we were now many of the friends did not got the day zero placement. Okay, so now we have decided like we are going to go there, we are going to go there, we are not going to the same company at once. So we have decided the mistake which I made on day zero was that I went to all of the companies. So I should have decided three companies and I should have been waiting and I should have decided that on these three company I'm going to go for the placement, not on the five. So I was just making sure that one interview I went there, one interview I went there. So this was a mistake. So I decided that I'm going to give full interview, full all round interview in here, and I'm going to be confident. And I don't know how was the confidence coming after being rejected in day zero. Okay, so I went to step lab. Okay, the interview started at 6. I went to the step lab. Okay, so two rounds were there, step lab, coding rounds. Questions were known already, were good. Some DVMS questions are asked, so two round was over. Now they said that you are on hold for the round three. Okay, so I was on hold. So then I went for Zilingo. So when I went for the Zilingo, so Zilingo's the so first round was quite easy and I gave the solution with a very high confidence. Okay, so when you are rejected for about 5 to 6 companies, so it might be possible that you might lose confidence and it might be possible you might gain confidence because you have been talking to so many different people all night and now 1 hour before you have been giving the interview, so the confidence was already building up now, although you have been rejected but it does not matter now. Okay, I gave the interview with full confidence. Then I went for the second round. Then and there they put the because they have been they like I am taking your interview. Then I will be having some doc in which I will be writing some points about you that this student is good at this student is bad at this. So my feedback was quite good, and so I was just taken to the second round. Very good. So when I was taking when the people were taking me to the second round, in the mid, student came that Flipkart is calling you. Okay, so I said I'm going to go here. I will be going to Flipkart only after this. Okay, after this means either I am going to I will be rejected by this or I will be accepted by this. Then only I will be going. So I went for the second round. Second round was quite good. Okay, second round was quite good. All the questions were from BFG. I wrote the code quite well. They asked me to write the code. I was and okay. The two rounds were quite good. Now the third round was HR and it was a confirmation round. She gave me a chocolate also. She gave the chocolate. It was a confirmation basically. So it was a quite relief like I have been selected at this one company. I won't have to now. If you are selected in one company, then you are not supposed to go for the further process. That is on in day one I can go to different companies, but not on after day one. So I was quite relieved. Then I was roaming with the. I drank water. I ate the chocolate. It was the first thing which I ate on that day. Okay, I ate the chocolate, and it was really a very big satisfaction. So Zilingo was the first company. Then I went to JP Morgan. Then I thought that it might take time. Then I went to Flipkart. Then Flipkart, they said that it might take 1 hour. It's okay, I can wait for 1 hour. Okay, it was okay, I can wait. But then I saw that the Zilingo was in front of Flipkart, so I thought I can't take a risk. Then I called my friend at Harness. His duty was at Harness. Okay, he was the TPR. He said, "Come, uh, you might have an interview here." So I went there. Okay, so first round at Harness, we were given two questions. I wrote the code quite well. I was quite tired till now. I had a headache also. Okay, so because we have been moving all around the night before, you have been moving all around. So basically, okay. So the first round was quite good. The feedback was quite good, but the second round took 1.5 hours because they were also eating lunch and they were having something. Okay, so after first round I was having the second round after 1.5 hours. Okay, so the first one in the other round was difficult. The questions were of difficult level, but I was able to solve. I was able to write the code. One question was on uh, the first question was on recursion. Okay, so when I was writing the code, I came that the idea struck that this problem can be solved using recursion. So I told him, he was quite impressed. The third round in Harness was a coding round again. Okay, the question that round was about 10 minutes, and it was about 10 minutes because he asked me four questions of GFG. He asked me four questions of GFG. Okay, so I was able to tell them. Okay, so I was now satisfied that my three rounds have been over. But in harness, what happens is the fourth round is the Skype round, and that round is taken by the head of the harness. So basically, we were given 10 minutes to learn, to read an article about something which harness uses. So we need to learn, we need to read, we need to read and understand what is it, and from that he is going to ask some questions. So we had five students were selected for the Skype round. Okay, so he took the Skype round. Skype round was okay. So you cannot say that Skype round was quite good. You cannot be sure because you read something 10 minutes before and you are not knowing before, and because in college we are not taught these things, like, okay. So I read for 10 minutes. I made some points on the paper so that if I get forget, so I can going to read it from the paper itself. So then I went. Okay, now Skype round is over. It's 11:30 p.m. in the night. Okay, so they all had the discussion. All the team of the harness with the HOD, head of the harness, in the room Skype, over the Skype. Okay, so they was discussing something like this student was lacking on this student was lacking on this. So then some voice came from the room, that Prashant and Brajesh. Okay, so I thought whether we both have been selected or we both have been rejected. Then they came out of the room. They shake the hand with us, and they provided us with a T-shirt with pens, lot of pens. Okay, around 20 pens of harness. And then it was a confirmation from them that they have selected us. So it was quite a relief. Harness was the second company, and I was quite happy with Harness because Harness was like day zero company. Okay, it's quite good company. It pays a lot, and the work is also good. The company is new, so you will be learning a lot from them. So I told my parents about them because they were also very worried because uh, on day zero I have not been selected. So okay, so we have not talked, and also they were quite, they might be thinking what I might be going through. I told my friends. Then I had lunch at 2 p.m. 2 a.m. in the canteen. Lunch, sorry, I had dinner at 2 p.m. in the 2 a.m. in the canteen. And we need to sign also because the results were not out because actually the results are supposed to be out at 12 a.m. in the night, but it was not out because one company was having some round. Okay. So now what? Now we had a lunch. Now we were told that the result will be out after 1 and 2 hours. So we then went to the hostel, same hostel in which we were giving interviews. Okay. So we waited for it. But now we already know that now all the friends did get their jobs. Okay, so we were waiting in the room, but still there is something in the heart, like what happened, the company might have changed some idea, or something might have happened. So at 4:30 the results was out. I was selected in both the companies. I selected Harness. I went to the room at 5:30. I slept, and I wake up at again 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay, now we have got the job, and it was quite satisfying. So